Up to roughly 70% of liver tissue can be removed, and the remaining liver enlarges to restore nearly all of its original volume and function. In humans, reconstitution is typically 80–90% of original mass, rather than a complete 100% return. The liver has an exceptional capacity among internal organs to regenerate lost mass rather than simply forming scar tissue. Few other solid internal organs match this ability. The regrowth happens because the liver's own working cells, called hepatocytes, start dividing to replace what's missing. Compare that to the heart. When heart muscle is damaged, the body seals the area with scar tissue instead of regrowing muscle. The brain is even more limited. Once mature neurons are lost, the brain does not generally replace them the way the liver replaces its cells. Both the donor's remaining liver and the transplanted portion in the recipient regenerate substantially and regain normal function within weeks to months, though the donor remnant typically reaches about 80–90% of its original volume rather than exactly 100%. Regenerated liver tissue restores nearly all of the organ's original mass and function, though volume recovery is sometimes slightly short of 100%.